back to Max with RP. Today we are going to solve simple basic problems from trigonometry. We'll call it mixed bag because it will involve simple problems using identities as well as involving heights and distances. See, if A is an acute angle and tan A equal to 12 by 5, you have to find all other trigonometric ratios of angle A. So, tan A is 12 by 5. So, we know that 1 plus tan square A is secant square A. So, 1 plus 144 by 25 equal to secant square A. That is 169 by 25 equal to secant square A, or secant A is equal to 13 by 5. If secant A is 13 by 5, cos A is 5 by 13. Similarly, 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. So, 1 plus, what is cot A? 5 by 12. So, 25. Tan A is 12 by 5 implies cot A is 1 by tan A, which is 5 by 12. So, 1 plus 25 by 144 equal to cosecant square A. That is 169 by 144 is equal to cosecant square A. Or cosecant A equal to 13 by 12, which implies sin A is 12 by 13. So, using trigonometric identities, that is 1 plus tan square A is secant square A and 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. If one ratio is given, you can find all the other 5 trigonometric ratios. What are the 6 trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, the reciprocals. Cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. So, if you know one, it is possible for you to find the other 5. Of course, we are restricting ourselves to the first quadrant. What do you mean by first quadrant? Where theta lies between 0 to 90 degrees. Now, tan theta equal to 1 by root 5. You have to find the value of cosecant square theta minus secant square theta divided by cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. So, if tan theta equal to 1 by root 5, we know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So, using that, 1 plus 1 by 5 equal to secant square theta, or secant square theta is equal to 6 by 5, or secant theta equal to root of 6 by 5. But we need only secant square theta, so we can stop with this. Now, we also know 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Therefore, now 1 plus, what is cot theta? Root 5. Tan theta is 1 by root 5, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So, root 5. So, 1 plus 5 equal to cosecant square theta, or cosecant square theta equal to 6. Now, I want to find the value of this expression. So, the expression is equal to, what is this? This is expression. Cosecant square theta, so which is 6 minus secant square theta minus 6 by 5 divided by cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. So this is our secant square theta, which is 6 by 5. So 30 minus 6, 34 by 5 divided by 36 by 5, which is 34 by 36, which can be simplified as t. So once you know the identities, you can easily find the values of secant square theta, cosecant square theta. Now, you are given third problem, sin theta equal to c by root of c square plus d square. D is greater than 0. Okay, you have to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. We know that sin square theta will be c square by c square plus d square. But sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta is equal to c square by c square plus d square. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, cos square theta will be, I am taking cos square theta to this side, you will get 1 by c square plus d square, which is c square plus d square minus c square by c square plus d square. So cos square theta equal to d square by c square plus d square, which means cos theta is equal to d by root of c square plus d square. So we are asked to find cos theta and tan theta. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is c by root of c square plus d square. Cos theta is d by root of c square plus d square, giving you c by d. So the value of tan theta is c by d. The value of cos theta is d by root of c square plus d square. Given sin theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, you can find the value of cos theta. I have replaced sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta to find the value of cos theta. And tan theta written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is given. We have found cos theta. Substitute, it simplifies to c by d. Is it clear? Now, cot theta is 15 by 8. Then you have to find the value of this. What is that you want to find the value of? The given expression is 2 into 1 plus sin theta. I am taking 2 outside. Into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. 2 into 1 minus cos theta. 2 I am taking out. So 1 minus cos theta. Now 2 gets cancelled. So giving you 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. A plus b by a into a minus b is a square minus b square. Now 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So this becomes cot square theta. Okay, now cot square theta is 15 square, 15 by 8 the whole square, which is 225 by 64. Is it clear how you can simplify the expression and make use of the fact that cot theta equal to 15 by 8? Substitute for cot theta at the right place. Then you can simplify the given expression as 225 by 64. Now, a statue 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of a pedestal. So, you have a statue on the top of a pedestal. Let this be the pedestal. On the top of the pedestal you have the statue. Let this be the statue. Okay. Now from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. This is the pedestal. Pedestal. This is the statue. Now, let me use another color. Now, from the same point, the top of the pedestal, what is the angle of elevation? Is 45 degrees. This angle is 45. Okay. Now, anything else is given? The statue is 1.6 meters tall. We don't know the height of the pedestal. We will keep it as h. This distance also we do not know. We will keep it as d. Okay, now first consider this triangle. What is the smaller angle? 45. That is the top of the pedestal. The angle of elevation is 45. Now tan 45 is equal to, what is tan theta? Opposite by hypotenuse h by d. But tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to h by d. Therefore, h is equal to d. Now, this is from which triangle? OAC. Triangle OAC. Now, let us look at the triangle OCB. So, what is the angle of elevation? 60 degrees. Now, what will be tan 60? H plus 1.6 divided by adjacent side, which is d. But what is d? D is also h from 1. Therefore, root 3 is equal to h plus 1.6 by h. What is it you have to find? You have to find the height of the pedestal, which is h. Therefore, root 3 h is equal to h plus 1.6, or h is equal to h into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So, h is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1, or h is equal to 1.6 divided by, if you take root 3 as 1.732, this is 0.732. I am sure you can simplify this. Okay, you can divide and simplify. I know that you can simplify decimals. So, do you understand the mathematical concept here? Since it involves only opposite side by adjacent side, I have only used the tan function to solve the problem. Now, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. So, you have a tower. So, let me call it as T, and is surmounted by a flagstaff. Let me call that at F. What is the height of the flagstaff? H. At a point on the ground, the angle of elevation, at a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is alpha, and the top of the flagstaff is beta. And this angle is beta. This is what is given. You have to find the height of the tower. This is what you need to find. Let me keep it as x. Okay. So now, this is the tower. On the top of the tower, you have a flagstaff. The angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is, the smaller angle is alpha. The bigger angle, which is the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff, is beta. Bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta. So now let us write the relationship between tan alpha and tan beta and see if we can find the height of the tower. Okay, so first tan alpha is equal to, which is a smaller angle. This is tan alpha. Okay, tan alpha, if I want, I can write it in another color. So this is alpha. Alpha is the smaller angle. Now tan alpha, if you look at triangle, let me call this point as A, OAT. Tan alpha will be X, this is the opposite side, divided by OA. Let me call it as Y. We only know this height is H. Okay. So now let us look at the bigger triangle. What is that? AOF. Triangle AOF. So what angle I should consider? Tan beta. What is tan beta? That is a bigger angle. H plus X by Y. So there are two variables here, X and Y. So how can I get rid of one of them very easily? I am going to divide one by the other. This is 1, this is 2. 1 divided by 2 gives tan alpha by tan beta, which is X by Y, okay, into Y by H plus X. So Y gets cancelled. So tan alpha by tan beta is equal to X by X plus H. What is it I need to find? I need to find X, because prove that the height of the tower is this. Height of the tower is X. Okay. Now let me cross multiply X tan alpha plus H tan alpha equal to X tan beta. I am collecting X because I want to evaluate X. Tan alpha minus tan beta equal to minus H tan alpha. Okay. After this, I am continuing here. Okay. Now X is equal to, from here what do you get? Minus H tan alpha divided by tan alpha minus tan beta. Now but I want this expression. So anyway, X is a distance, I can't write it as negative. So if I change the sign, I bring it inside the denominator so that it becomes tan beta minus tan alpha. So this is X. So the height of the tower is H tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. So today we looked at a few problems which I am calling it as a mixed bag. So some of the videos we are doing on particular topic. Here I have also done one or two sums based on the identities and a few sums on heights and distances. I hope you found this session refreshing and useful. Please practice a lot of problems so that you become good at solving problems in trigonometry. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Until we meet next time, it's goodbye.